Our oyster mushrooms are a delightful addition to any garden. But how do you know when they're ready to harvest? Let's explore the signs and steps to ensure a perfect pick every time. As oyster mushrooms mature, their caps transition from a downward curve to an upward flare. This is your cue to prepare for harvest. Growth is rapid. Within hours, you'll notice significant changes. Keep an eye on the largest mushroom in the cluster. Once its edges begin to turn upwards, it's time. If you observe white spore dust accumulating, it's a sign that the mushrooms have matured beyond their peak. To harvest, use a sharp knife or scissors. Gently cut the base of the mushroom cluster, ensuring you don't damage the surrounding growth. After harvesting, enjoy your fresh oyster mushrooms in a variety of dishes. Remember, timely picking ensures the best flavor and texture. For more tips on cultivating and enjoying oyster mushrooms, be sure to check out this video for more. Happy gardening! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening insights.